This is the other freight elevator at Ikea. And it's here. Again, Corian doors. Much bigger than the other one. This one has a capacity of 5,000. Oop, this is the gate. You want the door. Look at the airlock. This one has a capacity of 5,000. The other one has 2. These are your fixtures. Decently bigger. 88 compliant phone. 1. Oh wow, I need to shut it all the way. 0 passengers. They have another one here. I'll see if I can go for it because I heard these were automatic. And this here is the loading dock. Tampered safety glass. See right up the shaft. Let's go up to 2. Listen to the motor. Obviously been replaced. Watch this airlock. I saw that out. This was kind of a cam. I'm not even gonna open it all the way. And see what's going on doors. There it goes. And that's it.